Hello friends, this is Alexey again. PCM Europe 2022 was a great success. Big thank you to everyone who had a chance to come and stop by our booth to say hello and learn about Leaper's semiconductor silicon carbide product portfolio. See you next May, same place. And now, let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Power Integrations announced the Scale EV family of gate driver boards for Infineon Icona dual modules. Suitable for original, clone and new silicon carbide variants, the driver targets high-power automotive interaction inverters for EV, hybrid and fuel cell vehicles, including buses and trucks, as well as construction, mining and agricultural equipment. The first Scale EV family member to be released is designed for the Icona dual 900 amps 1200-volt IGBT half-bridge module. STMicroelectronics ST-Power MDmesh M9 and DM9 N-channel superjunction multi-drain silicon power MOSFETs are ideal for switch node power supplies in applications from data center servers and 5G infrastructure to flat panel televisions. The first devices to be launched are the 650V and 600V. Both have very low on-resistance per unit area, which maximizes power density and permits compact system dimensions. STMicroelectronics has revealed it is supplying silicon carbide technology for the e-Impact electric vehicle power modules from SEMIKRON. This is a result of a 4-year technical collaboration between the two companies to design in ST's advanced silicon carbide power semiconductors for superior efficiency and industry benchmark performance in more compact systems. Silicon carbide is quickly becoming the automotive industry's preferred power technology for electric vehicle traction drives, contributing to greater driving range and reliability. SEMIKRON recently announced it had secured a €1 billion contract to supply their innovative e-Impact power modules to a major German car maker beginning in 2025. Qorvo announced the next-generation series of 1200-volt silicon carbide field effect transistors with industry-leading figures of merit in non-resistance. The new series of 1200-volt silicon carbide FETs are ideally suited for mainstream 800-volt bus architectures in onboard chargers for electric vehicles, industrial battery chargers, industrial power supplies, DC-DC solar inverters, as well as welding machines, uninterruptible power supplies, and induction heating applications. The increasing demand for high power density is pushing developers to adopt 1500-volt DC link in their applications to increase the rated power per inverter and reduce system costs. However, 1500-volt DC-based systems also pose more challenges on the system design, such as fast switching at high DC voltage, which typically requires a multi-level topology. This leads to a complicated design and a relatively high number of components. To address this challenge, Infineon Technologies introduced its expanded CoolSiC portfolio with high-voltage solutions to provide the foundation for next-generation photovoltaic, EV charging and energy storage systems. The extended CoolSiC portfolio offers 2 kV silicon carbide MOSFETs along with a 2 kV silicon carbide diode for applications up to 1500-volt DC. onsemi announced the world's first tall-package silicon carbide MOSFET. The transistor addresses the rapidly growing need for high-performance switching devices that are suitable for designs with high levels of power density. Until recently, silicon carbide devices had been supplied in D2PAC packages, which required significantly more space. Tall package offers 30% savings in PCB area over a D2PAC package, and it occupies 60% less volume than a D2PAC package. Keysight Technologies announced the new Advanced Dynamic Power Device Analyzer, a next-generation double-pulse tester, with enhanced capabilities that enable customers to test entire power modules faster and easier than ever before. Introduced in 2019, Keysight's Power Device Dynamic Analyzer double-pulse tester was the first complete solution for discrete wide-bandgap power device characterization and is now used by power converter designers and power semiconductor manufacturers around the world. Now the new tester expands the capabilities to offer the first complete integrated solution that tests entire power modules. As a result, automotive original equipment manufacturers, Tier 1 suppliers and power converter designers can test faster and gain more insights into power module characteristics, enhancing the safety and reliability of power circuits for automotive applications. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.